Let's talk about large and small function in this video. They can return the kth largest or smallest value. For example, if we want to return the fourth largest value from this list, we can do it using large and it will return 70. And if we want to return third lowest value, we can use small function which will return 30. Let's see them with a few practical examples. Here we have a list of employees and the sales done by these employees in a given period. If we want to identify the maximum sales from this range, we can use max function to get that. 897 is the maximum sales and Ron has done that. If we want to calculate the minimum value, we can use the min function, which returned 404 done by John. But instead of finding the maximum or minimum salary, what if we want to find the third highest or fourth lowest salary? Large and small function can help us do that. Large and small function both expect to input the array from which we want the values to be returned and the kth value, that is the kth highest or lowest value. For example, we want to calculate the maximum value using large. We can choose sales as our array and 1 as the kth value. Similarly, for small, we can choose sales as our array and 1 as the kth value. Let's take another example. The organization has decided that it is going to reward the top 3 candidates with a raise and it will unfortunately let go the bottom 3 candidates. We can calculate that using the large and small function. We have already calculated the highest and lowest. For the remaining, we will copy the formulas. You have to ensure that your array range is fixed so it does not change when you scroll down. Now we just need to change the k value from 1 to 2 and 3. 897 is the highest value. 891 is the second highest value. 818 is the third highest value. Let's do that for small as well. We will change the k value for the remaining and we will get our results. If we specify a negative k value or a value that is greater than the number of data points we have, it will give us a #num error. If we have 5 data points, large 1 will return the highest value while large 5 will return the lowest. And if we specify large 6, it will give us the #num error. These are the candidates we need to promote and these are the candidates which we will have to let go. If we want to get the names of these candidates as well, we can get them using XLOOKUP or index match. If you do not understand how XLOOKUP works or how index match works, I have created separate video on them. I will drop a link to them in the description. Can you please tell me why we cannot get them using VLOOKUP in this scenario? Post your answers in the comment section. So we get the names as well. Let's copy the formula so that we get the names for small as well. In order to achieve this, we had to write index match and large formulas multiple times. Imagine if we are doing this activity for a big organization that has huge number of employees, and if we want to identify the top 1000 performers, are we going to write this 1000 times? Is there an easy way to get the same details using a single formula? Yes, we can use filter and large function together to get the same output in a single formula. Here we are getting the details of 3 people with the highest sales, which matches what we calculated earlier. If we change the k value to 5, we will get the details of top 5 employees. How cool is that? And we can do this using our filter function, which is a dynamic array function, and it lets us filter a range or array based on a condition. It is very powerful, and we will learn it in detail with few more practical examples in our next videos.